make a video covering addition. Now this is going to be able to use for both 4th and 5th grade. And I'm going to use two methods. The main method that you need to know is the standard algorithm. But for those that struggle with all the regrouping and the carrying, you can also use a security way, and that will be lattice addition. It's a lot like lattice multiplication. All right, and so let me show you. So let's say 38,911 plus 6,989. All right, so for the standard way, regrouping is like you can't fit more than one number in one place. So you always start with your ones. You know, you got the tens, hundreds, thousands, and then you got your 10,000s. 1 plus 9 is 10, but I carry my 1. 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 1 makes 10, carry the 1. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 1 makes 19, and I carry my 1. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 makes 15, I carry my 1, and there you go. Now with lattice addition, I'll show you the same exact number. Now with lattice addition, they prefer you separate it based off its place value. And you can even do it like this if you want to, so you don't get crossed up. And then you just fill in the bottom and lattice it up. It's a lot like lattice multiplication. So now I put my tens place up top, ones place at the bottom. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus 8 is 9. And I'm going to put 0, 9 because if there's nothing in the tens place, I have to put a 0. And 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 plus 6 is 14. And 3 plus nothing is 3. Now the last step of any lattice is to extend and add within this row. So here, the 0, I bring it down. 1 plus 9 is 10. And I still carry my 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 8 makes 9. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4, and the 0, you can bring it down, really just leave it there. So the answer is still 45,900. Now I'm going to show you with a decimal, because in 5th grade you have decimals, but really it's like the exact same thing. The only difference is where the decimal is, you just bring it down. So if I said 369 and 12 hundredths, or you could say $369.12 plus $288.67. Well, adding it, notice the decimal starts right next to the hundreds place, so that means that it's just going to bring it down wherever you add it. And again, you can use both methods. You can use the lattice, you can use standard. And so the standard way would be this right here. And so that decimal, you really can just add instead and just bring the decimal down later, or just bring it down. It really does not matter. 9 plus 8 is going to be 17. I carry my 1. 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 1 makes 15. Carry the 1. It's going to end up being 4 plus 2, which is 6. Now I can do lattice as well, so you can see what it would look like. You would still stack it just the same. Separate it based off its place value, and there you got your rectangle here. Lattice the corners up so you can put your tens place, the ones, and I'll put 9. 7, 1 plus 9, 17. It's going to be 14, and that's going to be 5 in the last step. Add up everything in its row. 9, 7, 7, 5, and 1 plus 5 is 6. And the decimal, you would still bring it down, so the answer is. Anyways, I hope this helps. Again, you definitely standard algorithm all the way. But if you're want to try different methods, so like a backup plan, just in case you get fumbled on your tests, you can use lattice addition. Practice, make sure you still stack it, and actually make sure you use your lattice row, add it up. Anyways, thank you for watching. Have a good